Y'all, welcome to my channel. This might be one of my most favorite crochet installs ever. Y'all, we are working with hair from HotBraids hair. This is their kinky straight texture. This is their upgraded human hair crochet. And y'all, get into this texture real quick. This hair is super soft. The texture is perfect for my type 4 girls. But real quick, let's talk about my braid pattern because I purposely did it this way for a reason. So I've got my edges left out, as you can see on both sides right here. And then I'm doing a middle part. This is going to be strictly a middle part, so I left out some leave out there. And then the braids I'm pointing to right here on the sides are the smallest braids and the flattest braids I could possibly do. This was the most important part to me with this whole entire look because I do have fine hair. I wanted to make sure those cornrows by my part were going to be small and tiny because this hair, it should be seamless. There should not be any bumps or anything like that. And if you have fine hair, you already know it's going to poke through. So got that out the way. Moving on to crocheting this hair, you guys, it's very simple, straightforward. I'm sure you have seen it already. I crochet this hair in just single knots. I always say if you plan on leaving it in for a good amount of time and you only plan on wearing it like once, go ahead and double and triple knot it, okay? Because you're gonna get some good wear out of this. The longevity is there, but taking it down, you're not going to be able to reuse the hair if you're double and triple knotting these little strands on this crochet hair. So keep that in mind if you want to be able to reuse it. So try a different style later on. Then make sure you just do a single knot, you guys. And I was a little iffy with this bundle, y'all, because I was like, one bundle is not going to be enough for my big old head. Y'all, it was the perfect amount. I used every single strand for this look right here. And look how we are looking. I knew right here, I knew once I hit that and looked at the camera, I knew this was going to be so freaking good and so natural. So y'all, I just kept on crocheting, taking my time. I'm literally just watching rerun episodes of the Bernie Mac show, you know, okay. Anyways, love this show. And just crocheting it all in. I'm trying to make the pieces that are in the front of my head, like the one I'm doing right here, kind of fall forward just a bit, but not too much. And then of course the back pieces, we're just gonna crochet as normal. Y'all, this style in this hair is truly low maintenance. It is such a great alternative to doing a like regular traditional sew-in, especially if you don't have anyone or you don't want nobody all up in your head. You can DIY this, you can do it yourself, reuse the hair in the privacy of your own home, okay? And more than anything, you don't have to worry about no hey boo texts from any stylist trying to cancel on you. Another quick tip that I get very often, and I tell anyone who DMs me on Instagram or TikTok or wherever, when they say they can't cornrow, get somebody else to do it. Y'all go to a braiding school or have your friend cornrow your hair, something of that. Y'all saw my cornrows were, you know, not the straightest and stuff, but they were neat because I don't part very well. But hey, as long as they're neat, you are fine. Get somebody else to braid your hair down and then you can come home and crochet it all in. But y'all, as far as styling this hair, I'm just taking my flat iron and I'm doing mainly one pass over it. I wanted to keep the texture as much as possible because I thought it was really pretty. It straightens out just a bit, and also I didn't have this on like super high heat, so you can definitely go over it as many times as you like, but I knew right here again this was going to look so good. And y'all, it's super lightweight, it doesn't feel like anything, and I love the amount of leave out that I ended up left out. Sometimes I do a little bit, not enough, okay, because my hair is fine, and this ended up being perfect. Look at that. It looks so freaking good. Y'all, if you are looking for a perfect texture match for your natural hair, your relaxed hair, whatever you want to call it, okay, the hair that's coming out your head, make sure you go on their website. They have a different textures suitable for everybody, so you are bound to find something that works for you and something that looks natural for you as well, just like this kinky straight is looking for me. So from here, y'all, I'm just going to lay my edges just a bit. I'm trying not to do too much because keep in mind, this is a kinky straight, kind of like a blowout texture, and I didn't really want to mess with that. I am here, like especially this summer, for just letting our edges be, letting our hair kind of puff up a little bit, because sometimes our hair just needs to breathe. And also, I don't want to always be worried about if my edges stay laid. Everything flows here, okay? Everything just looks natural. It looks great for my type 4 girls. So y'all, after I did everything how I wanted wanted it, I just let it marinate in this scarf for maybe like 10 minutes or so. And y'all, look how good it came out. This has to be a top 5 favorite hairstyle of mine. All right, you guys, so next I'm gonna put some curls up in this crochet here, not using a wand curler this time. I'm trying something new. This is my first time using this Tymo automatic curler because I can't curl my hair anyways, worth crap. And we all know how hard it is to get kinky straight hair to hold a curl. So I'm testing it out with something new, hoping it works a little bit better. So all you do, y'all, is like put this hair in a little slot on this thing and it curls it for you. It heats it up, curls it. And the curls started to come out so good once I got the hang of it. So I went back and just redid this piece up here. And look how good it came out. Now, I didn't use any hairspray with this, like this go around, but feel free to use some hairspray if you definitely, if you need these curls or if you need your curls to last a little bit longer. And you can also do a flexi rod set or whatever you want to call it, add some flexi rods if you need to sleep in this and have your curls last a little bit longer. That will help too. But here's how it came out. And just to show you guys how versatile this install is, this crochet look, and how natural it looks, you can throw your hair up in a ponytail. So today it was raining in Connecticut after we just had a beautiful day yesterday. And so I decided to throw my hair up in a cute little high ponytail, y'all. Laid my edges a bit, just kind of looked a little bit more sleek with this look, in my opinion. If you're going for that like sporty mom or sporty girl type of look, that's kind of how I was feeling. But y'all, look how good it turned out. So just in case you didn't think you had any styling options with this, or you couldn't work out or throw your hair up or anything like that, lies, all lies, because y'all see that I did it right here. Y'all, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video as much as I enjoyed making this for you. One of my favorite styles for sure. Y'all make sure you check the description box. Y'all know I'll have everything that you need down there. Let me know if y'all have any questions, comments, all that great stuff, and I'll talk to y'all in my next one. Bye.